How to delete Snapchat chats from both sides. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete Snapchat chats from both sides. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just swipe right from the camera screen to go to the chat section. And now here, once you're inside the DM section, you can just tap on any conversation where the message you want to delete is located. And now here, once you are inside the message, you can just press and hold on the message photo or snap that you want to remove. And here from the pop-up menu, you can just tap on delete, and after that you can confirm it by tapping on delete again. And here once you do that, the message will be removed from both sides of the conversation. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.